Good morning and welcome, guys. This is Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev, and I want to show you the progress I'm making on my inventory crafting system. And in the last video I showed you how to craft the items actually, and now I got a new function I want to share with you, and I'm really excited about it because look at that. I will show it. You have the ingredients around here. And if you point over one item with your mouse, then this little pop-up is showing, and it shows you what you can craft with this item. So you can see here is a heart, and with the heart you can craft a heart sword, and you also can craft a heart shield. And within these small boxes over here, there are the recipe items that are required. So for the heart sword, I will need 2 hearts, and I will need 1 sword. So that's really cool. And if I drag my mouse over the sword, I can see, okay, with the sword I can craft 1 item. I can craft the heart sword, and I need 2 hearts and 1 sword for it. And same thing with the shield. There I got my recipe for the heart shield with 2 hearts required and 1 shield required. And that's pretty cool. And you can see if I have multiple recipes for this specific item, then they are shown in a row underneath. And there are 2 recipes here right now, and these lists are getting generated dynamically by the recipes I have defined in my code, and that's pretty cool. So I can define each kind of recipe, and it will always show me what I can craft with a specific item. And that's really something I'm really happy about, that I was able to build this. And it might be a small feature, but for me this was really a challenge to code this in a reasonable way. And yeah, I achieved that. This is really cool. I'm really excited. And the next thing I want to do with this is, if you have more recipes that can be crafted, or more items that can be crafted with the heart, for instance, then the space in this little pop-up window is not enough to display all these recipes. And so I want to be able to scroll down through the list, and that's what I will implement next into my UI system here. So you can see it's pretty much pretty good developed here now. I can craft my items, I can equip them, I can see which items I can craft. I have my recipes there, and the design of the UI is not that what I want to have later on yet. So I will adjust the images and all that stuff as soon as I finish with programming. Then I will redo the UI a little bit and just polish it and give it a nice look. But for now, this is really satisfying and enough. And yeah, you can see I can do lots of things with this, and I'm pretty happy so far with the results. And I'd like to know if you also like this. Is this a crafting system that you would like to have in your game? Is this something you think is intuitive and usable? So let me know down in the comments. Really appreciate that. And that's my quick update on what I'm doing. I will see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, then consider subscribing. And guys and girls, stay happy and stay safe. And I see you in the next one. My name is Toby Preacher. I'm developing the game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie, and I'm out of here.